just as in our personal lives, professionally, we will also be part of a team. This means that we must have the attitude to use our skills for our own benefit and for the benefit of the team. Each team component must be clearly defined. Responsibilities, superiors, colleagues. Examining the type of contract can help to identify the different agents involved in the project. There must be public acknowledgement for those roles so everyone understands what needs to be done and why. It is important to identify support figures, to whom to report results, detected errors, unforeseen events, or to whom to consult in case you doubt how to carry out the work. This should be done not only at the beginning, but in every step of the project. Regarding how to deal with other teams, identify who is responsible for both teams in communicating, the decision-making, deciding to stop if interfering or detecting errors. Project team and its decisions should be understood as a battery. Everyone arrives at the workplace with a charged battery. There are processes that unload and processes that load. The way to maintain this balance is to maintain commitment, responsibility, asking, giving, expressing, encouraging discussions, and facing conflict. There must be a willingness to find a solution. A solution satisfactory to all must be found. Different options must be explored. Don't forget that ignoring conflict leads to lack of productivity.